Onkar Shinde is new to mutual fund investing, and he's been investing in Axis Blue Chip and Axis Mid Cap Fund since October 2020. He wants to know if it's necessary to have 4 to 5 funds in his portfolio, or are these funds enough?
Well, there is no hard and fast rule about the number of funds. Generally, we do recommend investors to diversify across funds, but really don't go overboard. And we believe that 4 to 5 funds should be adequate enough in a portfolio. Now, for a small investor who is making contributions of, say, rupees 5,000 a month, maybe just a couple of funds are good enough. But someone who is investing a much larger sum every month, uh, can look at building a little more nuanced portfolio and add a few more funds. But having said that, what I note about his investments is that both of his funds belong to the Axis Mutual Fund House. So at an AMC level, he should consider diversifying a little bit. uh, Despite the fact that these two funds, one is a large cap fund and one is a mid cap fund, and therefore their investment universe are fairly different, and likely there is not much overlap in the underlying portfolios of these funds. But even then, it is desirable for one to diversify across a few fund houses. That's because despite having very different investment mandates, there are certain commonalities that run within the funds of a fund house, because they have a common equity research team. So there would be commonalities in their equity market outlook, their outlook on different sectors, or their stock selection process, or even their investment style. For instance, if we talk about Axis, their equity funds, they generally tend to prefer running high conviction portfolios with very limited number of stock holdings. So they tend to be more concentrated than many other funds in their categories. Also, they have a very sharp focus on the quality of stocks that they own, and they don't mind paying a premium for that. And that's why you would notice that a lot of their funds have portfolios which are fairly richly valued on the PE ratio metric. Their funds happen to have the highest PE ratios in their respective categories. So the broad point that I'm trying to make is that there are certain commonalities that run across different funds of the same fund house. And if their investment style goes out of favor, which very likely can happen at certain points in time, then if you're only invested with one fund house, then the impact would be felt across all your investments. So it's always desirable to spread your investments across a few fund houses. So from that perspective, it is desirable that he adds 1 or 2 funds to diversify.